Alright, it's hot again. And we're cooking similar-ish. Showing all the cutting boards I bring. I bring the cutting boards for two reasons. Reason one is because they hold stuff in my upper compartment. And reason two is because I cut things. Alright, time lapse. Got that onion left. Add some onion to it. Okay, and that's that. Olive oil. A customary foil pack. Do something a little different. I'm going to grind up some peppercorn in there. What the heck? Okay. If it's not, it's mine. I hope it's okay. Okay, neck. All right, that's chicken breast, 2 chicken breasts. I went easy, and I just rinsed them out, rinsed them off with water. And I'm gonna use just this Famous Dave's chicken rub. I liked it, so I'm gonna do it again with real chicken this time. And I'll sprinkle it on there. Massage it around. Bit more, and then we'll go put the potatoes on. Pretty easy. We'll hit it again on the grill. All right, they have a couple picnic tables here, and I drug one. Let's see, we're lit. We are lit. Start the potatoes. I drug one, so I'm using Eddie as a bit of a windbreak because the wind has picked up. But if you got to cook somewhere, and a pretty awesome place to cook. Thrift store bike getting its use. Bridge over the Missouri. Pretty awesome place to have yourself cooking dinner. But it's hot again. I had 1 or 2 days of some rain. Those days are gone, and we're mid-90s again. Okay. Potatoes are sounding good. Hopefully I didn't burn them. I left them out here a little longer than I had thought. First chicken breast. Famous Dave, a little bit more on there. On this side. Second chicken breast. It's still windy even with me trying to block it. All right. Look at that view. Did I tell you about that view? Isn't that looking good? I think it's looking good. All right, we're gonna flip. Another flip. Woohoo! Potatoes and onions are coming along. Did I show you that view? Look at that. It's gorgeous. To make sure it gets cooked through without burning it. So I flipped probably too much for some. Stop flipping it. It's flipping it again. stop. Look at that. See? Everything's fine. No matter how many times I flip it, everything's fine. I got caught talking to a camper neighbor, so I had to shut this off, and we're going to heat it back up. Alright, we're going to shut this off and get ready to plate it. Look at that view again. Now, it's getting late, and it's still about 90, so we're going to eat inside. Okay, hope you can hear it over the air conditioner, but I'm sorry, it's hot. Lemon juice on the broccoli. Taste it. Tastes like broccoli. It's good. Potatoes. Those are good. Alright, the chicken. Oh yeah. Look at there. See that? Oh. Awesome chicken. Flyover time. Fly over the trees. Broccoli. Nice chicken on your left. Tasty with that famous Dave's chicken. And the potatoes. Have a great and wonderful day.